Welcome to my channel. Your tutor Mariam is here. It's a 47th video of Introductory Physics 1 and the 9th video I'm going to talk about the laws of motion. That is the 5th subject of Introductory Physics 1. In the last video I talked about the normal force, and at the end of the video I left a question for you guys to answer that. So in this video I'm going to solve that example for you. If you are new to Introductory Physics 1 and like to learn more, hit the subscribe button and look for more. You ready? Let's get started. Before going to that example, I'm gonna solve this question here. What's the direction of normal force? Let me remind you what is a normal force. Normal force is the force applied to the object. The direction always is upward and the opposite weight of the object. And the reason for that is the third Newton's law. So if I have an object here, weight gonna be downward, right? And that's gonna be m times g. And normal force always have the direction, the opposite side of the weight. So it's gonna be upside. And if object is at rest or moving with a constant velocity, then the normal force gonna be equal to the weight of the object. So with that, answer should be 2, right? Because there is no way to have a normal force going to the right, left, or downward. Okay, normal force is always has a upside direction opposite to the weight. Now let's go back to the example I left for you in the last video. So here I need to find a normal force applied to the object that has a mass of 2 kilograms and moves with the acceleration of 2 meters per second square in the horizontal direction. Okay, so we know that weight gonna be downward, right? And the normal force must be upward, correct? And the trick here, I have two components of force here, x and y direction. Let me write down the force in the x direction. So my net force in x direction gonna be only F1, right? Which is 4 newtons. However, in y direction, I have two forces. One gonna be n gonna be positive because direction is upward. W gonna be negative because direction is negative. So the second trick here, it says that object moves horizontally, right? So there is no acceleration in y direction. So here my m times a gonna be 0 because object moves horizontally. If it says object moves vertically, then that acceleration of a equal to 2 meters per second square gonna apply to Fy, right? But here it's moving horizontal direction, so the acceleration here gonna be 2 meters per second square. So what I'm trying to say, this guy here gonna be ma, right? So a acceleration gonna be 2, and then mass also gonna be 2 times 2 is 4, and then my force gonna be 4 newtons. That would be expected, right? However, here it asks for the normal force, so this is the part I should solve. Okay, so as I said, there is no acceleration, so n must be equal to w. W is equal to mg, right? My m here is 2 kilograms. Acceleration for the gravity is 9.8 or approximately 10. I'm gonna say it's 10, so it's gonna be 2 newtons, right? And that's the answer I'm looking for. So it's gonna be 20 newtons. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my video, hit the like button and I'll see you in the next video.